Please see question number 3. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. You have to find the solution. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Finds them. You have to find the angles. So solution is, let larger angle, whatever you have to find, that you have to assume, equal to x, and smaller angle is equal to y. Now see carefully, the larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. This means that larger is more than smaller by 18 degree. Means larger minus smaller is 18. So according to question, x minus y equal to 80 degree. Degree sign you can put like this, unit of degree. Now larger is greater than or exceeds the smaller by 18. So this will be the first equation. Now they are supplementary angles. They are supplementary angles. The sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree. Complementary is 90 degree. Supplementary is 180 degree. So second equation you will get x plus y is equal to 180 degree because they are given supplementary angles. Sum of supplementary angles are 90 degree. So this is the second equation. This is the second equation. Now from first equation, first we get x is equal to 18 plus y. X came 18 plus y because minus y is there, it will go that side, it will come plus y. So x is equal to 18 plus y. Now putting x is equal to 18 degree plus y in equation 2. You will put in equation 2. X place you will put 18 plus y. Y will come as it is. You will get 18 degree plus y is 2y. Ty is equal to 180 degree. That means 2y will come equal to 180 minus 18 degree. 180 minus 18 degree. So 2y will come 162 degree. Y will come 162 degree over 2. That will be 81 degree. Y will come 81 degree. Up to here you note down. Then I will rub and find the value of x. Now y came 81 degree. You want to find value of x. So in any equation, first or second, you can put y value and find x value. So put y is equal to 81 degree in equation first. We get x minus 81 degree is equal to 18 degree. X will come 18 degree plus 81 degree. That will come 99 degree. X came 99 degree. You can check 99 plus 81. That is coming 180. That means it is correct. Now don't leave here. You have to solve further also. X 99. X is larger number. Larger angle. Angle you have to take here. So x is 99. So larger angle will be 99 degree. Now y is 81. Y is smaller angle. By seeing also you know which is larger, which is smaller. Which is larger you write here. Which is smaller you will write here. So this is the answer. Larger angle is 99 degree and smaller angle is 81 degree. Thank you.